فلما بلغا مجمع بينهما نسيا حوتهما فاتخذ سبيله في البحر سربا.
But when they reached the point where the two rivers meet, they forgot their fish, and it took its way into the sea as if through a tunnel.
فلما جاوزا قال لفتاه آتنا غداءنا لقد لقينا من سفرنا هذا نصبا.
When they had journeyed further on, Moses said to his servant, "Bring us our repast. We are surely fatigued by today's journey."
قال أرأيت إذ أوينا إلى الصخرة فإني نسيت الحوت وما أنسانيه إلا الشيطان أن أذكره واتخذ سبيله في البحر عجبا.
The servant said, "Did you see what happened? When we betook ourselves to the rock to take rest, I forgot the fish, and it is only Satan who caused me to forget to mention it to you, so that it made its way into the sea in a strange manner."
قال ذلك ما كنا نبغي فارتدا على آثارهما قصصا.
Moses said, "That is what we were looking for." So the two turned back, retracing their footsteps.
فوجدا عبدا من عبادنا آتيناه رحمة من عندنا وعلمناه من لدنا علما.
And there they found one of our servants upon whom we had bestowed our mercy, and to whom we had imparted a special knowledge from ourselves.
قال له موسى هل أتبعك على أن تعلمني مما علمت رشدا.
Moses said to him, "May I follow you that you may teach me something of the wisdom which you have been taught?"
قال إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He answered, "You will surely not be able to bear with me.
وكيف تصبر على ما لم تحط به خبرا.
For how can you patiently bear with something you cannot encompass in your knowledge?"
قال ستجدني إن شاء الله صابرا ولا أعصي لك أمرا.
Moses replied, "You shall find me, if Allah wills, patient, and I shall not disobey you in anything."
قال فإن اتبعتني فلا تسألني عن شيء حتى أحدث لك منه ذكرا.
He said, "Well, if you follow me, do not ask me concerning anything until I myself mention it to you."
فانطلقا حتى إذا ركبا في السفينة خرقها قال أخرقتها لتغرق أهلها لقد جئت شيئا إمرا.
Then the two went forth until when they embarked on the boat, he made a hole in it, whereupon Moses explained, "Have you made a hole in it so as to drown the people in the boat? You have certainly done an awful thing."
قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He replied, "Did I not tell you that you will not be able to patiently bear with me?"
قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا.
Moses said, "Do not take me to task at my forgetfulness, and do not be hard on me."
فانطلقا حتى إذا لقيا نفس لقد جئت شيئا نكرا.
Then the two went forth until they met a lad whom he slew, whereupon Moses exclaimed, "What? Have you slain an innocent person without his having slain anyone? Surely you've done a horrible thing."
قال ألم أقل لك إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He said, "Did I not tell you that you will not be able to patiently bear with me?"
قال إن سألتك عن شيء بعدها فلا تصاحبني قد بلغت من لدني عذرا.
Moses said, "Keep me no more in your company. If I question you concerning anything after this, you will then be fully justified."
فانطلقا حتى إذا أتيا أهل قرية استطعما أهلها فأبوا أن يضيفوهما فوجدا فيها جدارا يريد أن ينقض فأقامه قال لو شئت لاتخذت عليه أجرا.
Then the two went forth until when they came to a town, they asked its people for food, but they refused to play host to them. They found in that town a wall that was on the verge of tumbling down, and he buttressed it, whereupon Moses said, "If you had wished, you could have received payment for it."
قال هذا فراق بيني وبينك سأنبئك بتأويل ما لم تستطع عليه صبرا.
He said, "This brings me and you to a parting of ways. Now I shall explain to you the true meaning of things about which you could not remain patient."
أما السفينة فكانت لمساكين يعملون في البحر فأردت أن أعيبها وكان وراءهم ملك يأخذ كل سفينة غصبا.
As for the boat, it belonged to some poor people who worked on the river, and I desired to damage it, for beyond them lay the dominion of a king who was wont to seize every boat by force.
وأما الغلام فكان أبواه مؤمنين فخشينا أن يرهقهما طغيانا وكفرا.
As for the lad, his parents were people of faith, and we feared lest he should plague them with transgression and disbelief.
فأردنا أن يبدلهما ربهما خيرا منه زكاة وأقرب رحما.
And we desired that their Lord should grant them another in his place, a son more upright and more tender-hearted.
وأما الجدار فكان لغلامين يتيمين في المدينة وكان تحته كنز لهما وكان أبوهما صالحا فأراد ربك أن يبلغا أشدهما ويستخرجا كنزهما رحمة من ربك وما فعلته عن أمري ذلك تأويل ما لم تسطع عليه صبرا.
As for the wall, it belonged to two orphan boys in the city, and under it there was a treasure that belonged to them. Their father was a righteous man, and your Lord intended that they should come of age and then bring forth their treasure as a mercy from your Lord. I did not do this of my own bidding. This is the true meaning of things with which you could not keep your patience.
ويسألونك عن ذي القرنين قل سأتلو عليكم منه ذكرا.
O Muhammad, they ask you about Dhul Qarnain. Say, I will give you an account of him.
إنا مكنا له في الأرض وآتيناه من كل شيء سببا.
We granted him power in the land and endowed him with all kinds of resources.
فأتبع سببا.
He set out westwards on an expedition.